there friends, it's Debbie here at Southern Delight. Come on into my dining room. I want to show you a Dollar Tree craft that I just created. And that's right here on this stand. In this area I've used a lot of copper, and I just made this tray using Dollar Tree items. And I just wanted to share this DIY with you really quickly. This is like my very first DIY, Dollar Tree DIY that I actually got to put together since I've been in my new home. So I was really excited to get this out to show you. But as you can see, I've used the copper tones in this area. And we'll go ahead and get started. What you're going to need is you're going to need to start with a Dollar Tree tray. I actually picked this one up and paid about $3 for it. Then I picked up they're little copper tile stick-ons. I picked up 3 of those, and what I'm going to do is place the tile in the middle, in the bottom of the tray. It had a beautiful fall scenery already in it, but I wanted it to match the rest of my decor. So when I saw this copper feel kind of tile background, I thought this would be ideal and perfect. It makes a very, very easy DIY to do, because basically all you have to do is just line them up, cut them, stick them on the tray, because they already have self-adhesive on the back of it. So they stick really well, and then place it on there. And then I've just added my candles and candlesticks. And I had some flowers that were left over from last year, and then just decorated it all up. But it was an easy, inexpensive, and fun DIY that just really brought this area all together so that everything could match, because now I have my copper tray to match over here with my copper sign that I picked up. That was another Dollar Tree find. And it matches with my copper flower arrangement that I did here for the center of my table. So I was really excited when I come across that, and just wanted to share that with you. But I have plenty more on the way. So I hope you will go ahead and subscribe to my channel and continue watching me. Love to see you again. Bye.